Hi all, welcome back to our channel UiPath by Sujita. In this video, I would like to cover most common exception message what we receive when we try to run any process from orchestrator for the very first time. Okay, keeping beginners in mind, I'm sharing this video. Maybe this is very helpful for you if you are trying to run your process from orchestrator for the very first time. Okay, that is foreground job requires an unattended robot to be defined on your user. Yes, you are aware of this issue, right? So let me quickly share where this message comes from. Let me go to our orchestrator. So here is my orchestrator, and when I'm trying to run this process, this is quite simple process where I'm trying to open a Google Chrome browser and trying to search for something. Okay, so I'm trying to run this using start button. As soon as I click start, see, this is the exception what we are talking about in this video. Okay, let me try it again. Click on start. Foreground job requires an unattended robot to be defined on your user. This is where I'm facing this issue. Let me go to our notepad. So I hope you're taking these notes for your future reference if you're a beginner. Okay, so now let us deep dive into this exceptional message. Requires an unattended robot. The message clearly says that this job, foreground job, requires an unattended robot to be defined on your user. Okay, what mistake we are doing? It's of no use, but what is the solution? What it is expecting is what we are going to cover here. Okay, requires an unattended robot. How to resolve this? First, you are supposed to verify if you have license available or not. Which license? Unattended license. Okay, I'll show you where to check this. Go back to your orchestrator. Let me cancel this. Go to tenants page, and there is something called license here. Manage the licenses across the tenant level. When you click on license, you could see your available licenses here. Okay, so I have one which is not in use for unattended. Okay, so now that it is clear, so first verification is passed. Now our goal is to create an unattended robot. For that, let us go to orchestrator and create a robot first. Then let us make it as unattended later. Okay, let me go back to this orchestrator. If you click on this breadcrumb, there is something called admin. Go to admin page and make sure your host level is selected, not the tenants. If you have multiple tenants available in your orchestrator, you could see the list down here, but make sure you select the host level. Okay, then go to accounts and local groups and make sure you select the robo accounts tab. Okay, and create an account. Let me remove this first and then I'll create this. Okay, perfect. So make sure you select this robo accounts tab and create your robo account by using this button. Give a name to your robo. I'm using UiPath by Sujita UPS. Unattended robo. Quite easy to remember, right? So I selected this one. No need to change anything here. Under group membership, just click on add. Okay, leave this part, close it. Now you could see your robo is available. Robo account is available. Fine. Now let us go back to our orchestrator. So what we did so far, in order to create unattended robo, we have verified the license whether it is available or not, and then we created a robo account using admin panel, and now we are supposed to assign a robo a role to this account. Okay, I mean to say the permissions required to this robo account. Let me go back to the orchestrator, and under tenant there is something called manage access. Go to manage access, make sure you select this access rules, and here there is a drop down at assign access at right side. Click on it, select robo account, and start typing your robo account name, which we have created in the earlier step, UBS unattended robo. Okay, now just scroll down. You could see something called roles. So select robo here and then click on assign. Okay, so it is saved successful. Okay, this is what it has. Now that your robo is available, you are supposed to, robo account is available, you are supposed to assign the unattended license to that. Okay, now let us go to the license section. And let us assign it to that robo account. So I have one for testing and one for unattended. Okay, now go to folders and select the folder where you would like to add that account, robo account. So I'm selecting this demos folder. Make sure you select the manage access and assign account here. Search for the robo account and give the robo role here, then click on the assign. Okay, I'm giving complete folder administrator, but if you could see the robo role here, you can give it. Since I have the limited access, I could not get the robo account here, robo role here. Okay, now let me click on assign. Now you could see this robo being added with type, okay, robo type unattended. Fine, clear. Let us go back to our notes. What we did, we created a robo account using admin panel and assigned robo roles to the same robo account. Now the third step what we did is assigned this robo account to the folder where our process is. Okay, now fourth step is you are supposed to provide a required credentials for this account in order to run your job in unattended mode. Okay, let me show you how that is. Okay, so here you could see three dots, right? Go to this more actions, click on edit access rules. Just scroll down and you could see something called enterprise robo setup. By default, it is predefined credentials. So click on select custom Windows credentials. Few more fields being enabled here and you're supposed to fill these data. Domain, username of the machine where you would like to run this job, and the password accordingly. Then click on update. So how do you know this domain username of that machine where you are going to run this job? Simple, I'll let you know. Use cmd, your command prompt, and type who am I. Whatever comes for this is your domain username. Give this and give your password. Okay, clear? Then click on update. Success. Now quickly make a note of what we performed so far. And okay, job in attended. To get the domain name / username, use who am I in cmd prompt. Clear. Now go back to your folder where you are going to run this process and start executing it once. Before that, make sure you have the mission assignment done for this folder. Okay, for that, go back to your folder. Let me go through this tenant folders page and select the folder. Go to missions tab and make sure the mission is added. If it is not added, let me just, if the mission is already added, take the mission key and update this accordingly in your assistant. If not, create a new mission template and get the mission key and update it in UiPath Assistant. Let me show you both here. Since I have this mission already tagged to this folder where I'm going to run my job, what I'm doing, I'm simply copying this mission key, going back to my UiPath Assistant. Let me sign out this. So here you could see the preferences. Go to orchestrator settings, click on connection type and select mission key. Give some name for your mission and use the orchestrator URL and give the mission key what you have copied from the orchestrator. Okay, click on connect. So it is connected as unattended. Okay, clear. This is one way. If your mission is not assigned to this folder, then go to manage missions in folder, select the missions available here so that your mission will be tagged to your folder. Okay, if at all you are setting up this for the very first time and you have no missions available in your orchestrator, use this add mission, go to mission template, give a template name and description, give your license whichever license you would like to assign to that, and click on provision. Okay, that will give you the machine key. So next steps are same. Copy the machine key and use that machine key in your UiPath Assistant. Now that all the steps are done, let us go back to our folder and execute our process. Select your account, which is nothing but your unattended robo account, and select the machine where you would like to run this job. Start. It is executing. So it is simply opening a Chrome browser and searching for something. Okay, let me go back to this and show you what's happening here. It is running. Clear? So the main exception what we were referring to been resolved. So let us take a note without missing any step. So make sure, let me close this. My background job is running. Oh, superb. It's been successfully executed. Fine. Now let us make the notes what we have missed so far. So make sure machine is assigned to the folder. If not, assign it using machines tab. Copy the machine key and use it in UiPath Assistant to create a connection. Okay, clear. So this is how we can simply create unattended robo and assign it for our background job execution on a remote server or any other different machines accordingly. I hope this is very useful for all the developers, and if you are a beginner to UiPath, you'll definitely face this issue now and then. So definitely pass this video to your colleagues and friends and make use of it. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback so far on our videos and for your support for this channel. Thanks a lot. Meet you through our next videos. Bye bye.